हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फन फॉर लिटिल्स। इस वीडियो में हम एनिमल्स और उनके बेबीज के बारे में जानेंगे। कैट कीटेन। कैट यंग वन इज कीटेन। काउ calf.
Calf.
Cow young one is calf. Dog puppy.
Dog. Puppy.
Dog young one is puppy. Hen chick.
Hen. Chick.
Hen young one is chick. Frog tadpole.
Frog. Tadpole.
Frog young one is tadpole. Horse foal.
Horse. Fall.
Horse young one is foal. Duck duckling.
Duck. Duckling.
Duck young one is duckling. Lion cub.
Lion. Cub.
Lion young one is cub. Sheep lamb.
Sheep. Lamb.
Sheep young one is lamb. Camel calf.
Camel. Calf.
Camel young one is calf. Elephant calf.
Elephant. Calf.
Elephant young one is calf. Goat kid.
Goat. Kid.
Goat young one is kid. Kangaroo joy.
Kangaroo. Joy.
Kangaroo young one is joy. Deer fawn.
Deer. Fawn.
Deer young one is fawn. Zebra foal.
Zebra. Fall.
Zebra young one is foal. नए नए वीडियो के लिए देखते रहिए फन फॉर लिटिल्स। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।